cooled down from its 14-month high of 6.2% year-on-year in October 24 to 5.5% year-on-year in November 24, in line with estimates. The Index of Industrial Production (IIP) grew 3.5% year-on-year in October 24 versus 3.1% year-on-year in September 24. In terms of the constituents, the manufacturing, electricity and mining grew 4.1%, 2.0% and 0.9% year-on-year respectively in October 24. The Consumer Price Index in America increased from 0.2% month-on-month in October 24 to 0.3% month-on-month in November 24, driven by higher inflation in energy and food. Hindustan Aeronautics signed a contract with the Ministry of Defence to supply 12 Sukhoi Su-30 MKI aircraft along with associated equipment to the Indian Air Force for Rs 13,500 crores. Godavari Power entered into a 7-year agreement with GAIL India to supply RLNG gas for the company's upcoming pellet plant. Ashok Leyland received an order worth Rs 346 crores for supplying diesel fuel-type passenger bus chassis to the Tamil Nadu government. Waaree Energies arm received a letter of award for the development of a 170 megawatt solar power plant in Madhya Pradesh from Rewa Ultra Mega Solar. NTPC Green Energy's arm NTPC Renewable Energy received a 500 megawatt solar power contract in the SECI auction. The contract provides 500 megawatt of solar power capacity at a tariff of Rs 3.52 per kilowatt hour. HG Infra Engineering received a letter of acceptance for worth Rs 763 crores order from the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Promoter Biocon Limited sold 2.0% stake in Syngene International through bulk deals. Peak XV Partner Investments and BISC sold 7.6% and 4.5% stake respectively in Office Space Solutions, while Invesco Mutual Fund, Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance and Ashoka White Oak India Opportunities Fund bought 1.5%, 1.4% and 1.3% stake respectively through block deals. Edel Finance Co Limited and ECAP Equities Limited sold 3.7% and 3.4% stake respectively in Nuvama Wealth Management, while Kotak Emerging Equity Scheme bought 0.8% stake. Innovia Multiventures sold 1.1% stake in Godrej Healthcare, while Godrej Industries bought 1.1% stake through block deals. Stay tuned for more such interesting videos.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.